This is probably the biggest reason why I'm so thankful I live in Norway. In social media right now, it's going around that everybody tap in and let's see you at 21. When I was 21, I was in a maximum security prison in the state of Oregon in the United States. Oregon State Penitentiary, and that was pretty much the start of a 10-year run of complete madness in my life. I would end up doing 5 years in there, celebrating 5 birthdays before finally getting out, getting my life together, becoming a Bering Sea fisherman in Alaska, traveling the world 40 countries, living in 6, and then living my best life here in Norway. It's crazy to me to see everyone else's tap in at 21 and they're all at parties, and drinking and having fun and just everything you're supposed to do when you're 21. But me, on the other hand, I was straight up in that maximum security prison, 23 hours a day, the most dangerous and most violent prison in the entire state of Oregon. And I was fighting for my life every day. And as I look at myself there, it's crazy because that kid right there in that picture had no idea the man that he become. I've traveled the world. I've been to the Mediterranean Sea, the Dead Sea, the Bering Sea. I've lived on Greek islands. I lived in the world's northernmost town in Svalbard. I lived in New York City, Hollywood, Los Angeles, all of it. But it really all started right there behind the 40-foot wall in Salem, Oregon. The biggest thing was getting out, getting my life back right, getting off any and all substances that I was on to really be able to put my best foot forward to the world. And Norway has given me the opportunity to do that. See, in America, I'm a black guy. I'm a felon at that. I'm a black felon. But in Norway, I'm an American. As a foreigner, when you fill out the visa application, it asks you, have you been convicted of any crimes? If so, what was the penalty? So I just had to be at the mercy of the Norwegian government because it's me asking. I'm asking to come to your country and I'm hoping that you'll give me a second chance. And they did. And I'm here. I live in Bergen. I got an amazing apartment, amazing job. I work at the best bar in the city and life is good. And that's really the biggest reason why I'm so thankful that I live in Norway.